If you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click that post notification bell so you will be notified when I post new videos. So today's video is going to be me doing a barrel roll style on my locks. Make sure you stay tuned for that video. You don't want to miss it. Let's go. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my barrel roll look, the right way to do it. So first you want to grab the locks that you need. I use 4 and I'm going to retwist them. And I started off by using my hydration mist and adding a little bit of my hair growth oil to my scalp before I did each barrel roll.
Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Go now, let's go. You give me all your confidence. Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you.
Now what you want to do is take one lock and begin wrapping around the locks that you have in your hand. Make sure it's not too tight to your scalp, because after doing a couple of these, you're gonna get a headache. Make sure you wrap and wrap tight. You don't want any gaps in between the wrap. Make sure you wrap your locks tight around the shaft of the other locks. And when you get to the end of that first lock, you're going to actually just lay it down and grab another lock and begin wrapping it around all the locks again, making sure you have no gaps in between your wraps. You want the locks to look like a barrel roll effect, so make sure you definitely have no gaps in between your locks. You're going to repeat that all the way down. Every time you end a lock, you're going to take it, lay it flat, and begin wrapping another lock around it.
Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a good feeling all day long.
Now when you get to the end, you're going to take your shortest lock and wrap it up. And you're going to take your longest lock and you're going to begin wrapping your lock around the lock, but going up the lock, covering up the lock that you just folded up, as you can see. And after all of that, you're just going to put a rubber band on there to secure your lock and your barrel roll. And that's just really it, like, to make sure it stays.
Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
And this is how your barrel roll should look. Neat and clean and secured. I'm going to show y'all how I did my other side as well. If you don't get it the first time, it's okay to keep practicing over and over again. Yeah, y'all see my lock sprinkles? They cute. But yeah, just keep on wrapping. I'm gonna lay it flat and grab another lock and begin to wrap around, covering that lock that you just laid down. Oh, I love the way my lock sprinkles came out in these barrels. I didn't even realize, like, It was gonna be popping like that. Okay. But yeah, just keep on rapping and you're gonna repeat the same steps as I explained to you on the first side that I did.
Okay, y'all, so we had the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give it all day long. Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a good feeling all day long. Okay, y'all, so we had the photo shoot. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give it all day long. Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
Thank y'all for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my lock style. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and push that post notification bell so you will know when I upload. Peace.